Good morning to all. I am Dr. Kirti Kumar Jain from SIRT College, भोपाल। आज हम आपको कंसिस्टेंसी एंड इनकंसिस्टेंसी से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन है ये बताएंगे। ठीक है, लास्ट क्लास में वी हैव डिस्कस ऑलरेडी के द वेयर इज द इक्वेशंस आर कंसिस्टेंट और नो इनकंसिस्टेंट। ठीक है, तो नाउ फर्स्ट वी मेक these equation into a matrix form, right? So the equation in matrix form using the coefficient of x, y, z. This is the equation in matrix form. This is a form of ax equal to b. So for which a equal to the matrix 2, 3, 5, 7, 3, minus 2, 2, 3, lambda, and matrix x is equal to x, y, z, and b matrix 9, 8, mu. Okay, now we make a augmented matrix. Augmented matrix is in the form of AB. This is augmented matrix. So A and B, 2, 3, 5, 7, 3, minus 2, 2, 3, lambda, and B matrix 9, 8, and mu. This is the augmented matrix. Now we convert this matrix into a echelon form, right? तो इसको echelon form में हम convert करेंगे। R1 divided by 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2, 5 by 2, and 9 by 2. Now 7, 3, minus 2, 8, 2, 3, lambda, mu. Here we used elementary operation of matrix for making in echelon form, right? So first operation R1 is multiplied by 1 by 2, then we get here. Now next R2 minus 7R1 and R3 minus 2R1. So R1 unchanged, कोई चेंज नहीं होगा R1 में। 1, 3 by 2, 5 by 2 and 9 by 2. R2 minus 7R1 means R1 multiplied by 7 and subtracted from R2. So 7 minus 7, 7 minus 7, 0. And here R2 minus 7R1. R2 minus 7R1. So 3 minus 21 by 2, 6 minus 21 equal to minus 15 by 2. Therefore, right here minus 15 by 2. Similarly, minus 2 R2 minus 7 R1. R1 5 by 2. LCM 2 minus 4 minus 35. This is minus 39 by 2. And R2 minus 7 R1. LCM 2, 2 8 16, 9 7 6 3. So this is equal to minus 47 upon 2. So write here minus 47 by 2. And R3 minus 2R1 means R1 multiplied by 2 and subtracted from R3. Now this is 0 multiplied by 2. So 3 minus 3, 0 multiplied by 2, 5, lambda minus 5, and multiplied by 2, so 9, mu minus 9. Now this is the echelon form. This is the echelon form. तो अभी हमने क्या किया, ऑगमेंटेड मैट्रिक्स को एशेलन फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट किया है. दिस इज अ एशेलन फॉर्म. राइट, नाउ वी फाइंड द रैंक ऑफ मैट्रिक्स ए एंड रैंक ऑफ मैट्रिक्स ए बी. सो रैंक ऑफ मैट्रिक्स ए, रैंक ऑफ मैट्रिक्स ए equal to matrix A. Matrix A, this is 2 3 5 7 3 minus 2 2 3 lambda. Here 1 3 by 2 5 by 2 0 minus 15 by 2 minus 39 by 2 0 0 lambda minus 5. So rank of A and rank of AB depends on mu value, depends on the value of mu and lambda, right? So first we find lambda, what is lambda and what is mu. Okay, so in case of no solution, infinite solution and many solution, so the condition number 1, if rank of matrix A equal to rank of matrix AB, or what the rank are equal to unknown variable. Unknown variable, right? So this, now the equation is consistency, which is a condition for consistency, and it has it has unique solution. If the rank of matrix A and rank of matrix AB equal, or which is equal to the unknown variable are 3 1 2 3, right? Therefore the system of equation have a unique solution. And in second case, if rank of matrix A equal to rank of matrix AB, which is less than 2 unknown variable. Now it is also consistence. It is also consistence. What? It have infinitely solution. Okay. Similarly, third case, if rank of matrix A is not equal to rank of matrix AB, therefore it is inconsistent and it has no solution. So these three cases we can use here. Case number 1, rank of A equal to rank of AB, which is equal to unknown variable. Therefore the system of equation has a consistence and it has unique solution, right? If rank of A equal to rank of AB, but they are less than 2 unknown variable, okay, therefore it is also consistent, but it has infinitely solution. ठीक है। इन थर्ड केस रैंक ऑफ ए इज नॉट इक्वल टू रैंक ऑफ ए बी, ठीक है। सो इट इज इनकंसिस्टेंट एंड इट हैज नो सॉल्यूशन, इसका कोई भी सॉल्यूशन, इस केस में कोई भी सॉल्यूशन इसका नहीं होगा, राइट। तो अब ये कंडीशन का यूज करके हमको यूनिक सॉल्यूशन, मेनी सॉल्यूशन, नो सॉल्यूशन, इस तीनों केस में, इन तीनों केसेस के लिए हमको लेमडा एंड म्यू का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है, राइट। So in first case no solution. For it, rank of matrix A is not equal to rank of matrix AB, right? Therefore here lambda minus 5 equal to 0 and mu minus 9 is not equal to 0. So lambda equal to 5 and mu is not equal to 9, right? Means no solution. नो सॉल्यूशन के लिए लैम्डा म्यू का वैल्यू कम होगा, नो सॉल्यूशन के लिए दोनों मैट्रिक्स का रैंक इक्वल नहीं होगा, राइट। तो फॉर दिस इफ this is 0, if this is 0, therefore rank of matrix A equal to 2 and this not equal to 0, therefore rank of matrix AB equal to 3. it means दोनों का रैंक इक्वल नहीं है, ठीक है। तो दोनों का रैंक अगर इक्वल नहीं है मतलब ये नो सॉल्यूशन के लिए, तो जब इस इक्वेशंस का यहाँ पे नो सॉल्यूशन है तब लेम्डा का वैल्यू 5 और म्यू 9 के इक्वल टू में नहीं होगा। इसको हम चेंज भी कर सकते हैं, लेम्डा इज नॉट इक्वल टू 5 or we can write as lambda is not equal to 5 and mu equal to 9. Now second case unique solution. So for unique solution rank of A equal to rank of AB. So here both rank are equal and they are equal to unknown variable 3, therefore the both the rank are equal to 3, therefore lambda minus 5 is not equal to 0 and mu minus 9 is not equal to 0. ये भी 0 नहीं होगा, ये वाला स्टेप और इस स्टेप को भी हम 0 नहीं करेंगे। नाउ द lambda is not equal to 5 and mu is also not equal to 9. So for unique solution lambda is not equal to 5 and mu is not equal to 9. Now in last and third and last case infinite solution. So for infinite solution we write here case number third for infinite solution. Rank of matrix A is equal to rank of matrix A, right? But this is less than to unknown variable और unknown variable कितने हमारे पास 3, okay। therefore lambda minus 5 equal to 0 and mu minus 9 is also equal to 0, therefore lambda equal to 5 and mu equal to 9. तो in case of infinite solution, in case of infinite many solution, infinite solution, the lambda is 5 and mu is equal to 9, right? So this in these three cases we find the solution of lambda and mu. Okay, thank you.